Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naturally IE and thank you for joining me for another video. Today we are getting into how I achieve these gorgeous curls using everything Gorgeously Kinky. So if you want to see how I achieve this braid out, stay tuned. And before you go any further, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right down there so you can stay up to date with everything related to curls, beauty, and politics.
Okay, I'm starting out on an 8-day-old braid out using the same Gorgeously Kinky products. I'm just using Shea Moisture's Damage Rehab Shampoo and Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment to cleanse and then condition out the old product. Next, I am going to use the Gorgeously Kinky Intense Quench Hydrating Deep Conditioner, and I can just say off the bat, it feels amazing, just as you would want a deep conditioner to feel. It goes on beautifully, nice and smooth. It is silky, silky smooth, just like an icing. It smells fruity, tropical. All their products smell uniform, which I like. So that's a positive for me. And it comes in a really nice 13-ounce packaging. And I think that a little bit goes a long way. I've now used these products in total for about a month. I've deep conditioned with this product maybe 4 or 5 times. Yeah, sounds about right. And you'll see me here just working it through. This is how I deep condition with everything. My mother would say that I'm playing with my hair, but I'm really working it and massaging it into every strand and want to make sure that every hair strand is coated. And I really think that this deep conditioner did a really great job of ensuring that my hair was conditioned. So I'm going to twirl it up and clip it, and I'm going to sit under my dryer for 20 minutes. After that, I'll just show you what it looks like. So you can see a little bit of the white has disappeared. It's been absorbed into my hair. It's looking like it's pretty defined, if you ask me, once it's been rinsed out. It's nice and fluffy, it's shiny, and this is a really good deep conditioner in my opinion. And this is it, just t-shirt dried for a little while with no product. But now we're going to move on to the Not Melt Detangling Leave-In Conditioner as the leave-in, and following up with the 5-day Hydrate Moisturizing Buttercream. Okay, so in the video you'll just see me sectioning off my hair, but I'm gonna get right into the products. So the Not Melt Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, it just says that it is enriched with marshmallow for dry and thick hair, and you know, it's made without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, petroleum, silicones, all that good stuff. And you're basically supposed to focus it on your ends and areas that get dry and knotted easily. And this is a leave-in detangler. That is what they say. Do not rinse it out. And I absolutely adore this leave-in conditioner. This is probably my I can say that this is like a top 5 of all time. It is beautifully smooth and dense, and it is so hydrating, and it's the perfect consistency. Some leave-ins I think tend to be too light, and if they can spritz, that's too light for me. This one, amazing. Love it, love it. I would compare other leave-ins to that one. As you can see, I've already moved on, you know, with the butter, and I'm just braiding up my hair. In the next clip, you're just going to see me finishing up braiding up all of my hair. But moving on to the 5-day Hydrate Moisturizing Buttercream. It says that it's enriched with Mafura butter for coils, kinks, and curls. And it basically just says to apply a liberal amount to damper dry hair and style as usual. And again, it's made without all those same ingredients. And it is a dry hair solution. So first, I'm just going to say that all the packaging is great. It's really sturdy. It is dependable. I didn't have any issues with shipping. But my issue with this particular product is the 5-day hydrate part. It is definitely a moisturizing buttercream, but I did find myself having to, maybe it's just my hair, maybe it's because I live in New York and I don't know, it's winter there, it's a little bit more dry. I never really sealed my hair. I used these products for a month, a solid month, doing braid outs alone. And I felt specifically with this product, the moisturizing buttercream, I just had to, you'll see me here putting it on my roots. I just felt that I had to put it on every other day. Or every 3 days, but it definitely wasn't a 5-day hydrate. It wasn't 5 days worth of moisture in one use. Maybe if I continue to use it, I don't know. I used it for about a month, and it's about halfway gone. But that's my only little sort of issue with it. Otherwise, I think it is an amazing hydrator. Unfortunately, though, I did find that if I used it for too many days in a row without, rinsing it, washing out the product, it would cause a lot of buildup. So that's the other thing. You have to be careful with how much product you actually use. So I just put my bottle on, went to bed the next morning. Because I'm doing this braid out on wet hair, yes, it is wet hair, so it is going to shrink, and that's what we're gonna see here. I am gonna have a lot of shrinkage. It's gonna be shiny, but it's gonna be defined, but it's gonna shrink. So that's just something to be mindful of when you're doing first day hair. But I'm just gonna use some of my own homemade oil and start taking it down. And this is the end of the results. As I said, because I started off on wet hair, and I actually, when I was taking it down, I realized that not everything was completely dry. It is going to frizz. It's going to frizz more than I would like it to, and it's going to be shorter than I would like it to. But that's okay. Definitely make sure that you check out my next video, the braid out using the same products, but on dry hair, and you will see the difference, I promise you. But I'm just going to fluff and separate, shake it all out, and pick it all out. And then I'm just going to style my hair for the day. And overall, I would definitely repurchase Gorgeously Kinky products. Without a doubt. There's actually a product that I purchased that I didn't mention here, and I use it as a body butter, and that is also, I think it's the Twist and Seal butter I use as a body butter. And products are really nice. I would definitely try them again. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this review. As I said, make sure that you check out the braid out demo done with the same products on dry hair coming up next. Until next time, guys, stay blessed and unstressed.